Hi guys. Ang tagal ko na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, I'm here, I'm back, and it's 2025, y'all. Birthday ko ngayon. Di ba? Wala akong makeup. Wala akong makeup today. Nag-promise ako, pero I didn't make my promise. I'm so sorry. My birthday today. And I'm already 21. Yes, I'm already 21 years old this 2024. Ang bilis, no? Imagine, I start vlogging at the age probably no pandemic. I was like, uh, 17 or 18 years old. Yeah. And now I'm already 21 years old. Can you imagine? I started vlogging during pandemic and now I'm here. It's no more pandemic. Goodbye pandemic. Goodbye. That means it's back to normal. We're back to normal. And look at me. My straight hair is back. Nakaparin kasi ako nung parang no October 6 or 7. Sa akong buhok kasi, you know, bagong ligo. Bagong ligo. Bagong ligo. And now I'm already 21 years old. I just have a simple cake. Not too big cake. Big cake. It's run out of number. I will have big cake. Next year. 2026. I'm already 22 years old. Oh, shucks. My face don't grow old, but my age grow old. At saka meron akong braces sa ngipin. Means dalaga na. Here is this is the gift na ate gave me ng 2024. Anong Pasko ba yun? And I also have